Cloud may feel invisible, but every cloud service begins somewhere real. It begins with servers, storage, networks, power, and cooling, working together with precision.
Cloud engineering transforms physical infrastructure into flexible, available computing. One carefully managed platform can securely support many applications, users, and services.
From campus to industry, cloud makes powerful infrastructure available wherever learning and innovation happen. AI can help engineers observe conditions, predict risk, and make smarter operational decisions.
The flow rates here are holding perfectly steady. Excellent work.
But intelligence does not replace engineers. It gives capable people the insight to act with greater confidence.
At MIT WPU, with NIRVA Solutions, you will learn to understand the infrastructure behind cloud and AI and help build what comes next.